Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on some new face products. And to help me with this, I have just signed up to the Latest in Beauty subscription box. Now, if you don't know what Latest in Beauty is, I'll just give you just a quick recap. I don't want this to be 1,000 years long. So basically, it's a subscription service where you get to choose your own beauty products. So there's no surprises. You get to choose whatever products you want. And you can choose from hair products, skincare, makeup. I personally just went on there for the makeup. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is not PR. Latest in Beauty don't even know that I'm doing this video. I do apologise. I'm not feeling very well, hence to why I've got my gown on. I am dressed. It's just I'm not feeling very well, so that is why my energy level's a little bit up and down, so I do apologise. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by trying on some of these new face products. So if you guys want any more information about Latest in Beauty, I'll put all the information in the description bar below, so you can click on the link and check out the information for yourselves. So inside my little box, I chose two products from Sportfix. So this one here is the game-changing mascara. So it's got a mascara on one end and a mascara remover on the other. Now I'm not going to test it in this video, but I'll be trying this mascara in a different video, so that'll be really exciting to try this one. And I have the other item from Sportfix. This is the Hit Highlighter High and Dense Illuminating Trio. And this doesn't have a shade name, but it's got three really nice colours in it. A goldeny colour, a bronzy colour, quite a light brown colour. Hopefully these aren't going to be too dark for me, but we'll see. You never know. They always come out differently than they do in the pan. Always do. And this I was very excited for because this is a CC cream and it's a Korean skincare, and I love Korean skincare. There's this tiny sample right here. I've got the card right here, so pray for the God I'm going to pronounce this correctly, this brand. Erborean. I think that's what they said on YouTube, Erborean. So this is from the brand Erborean, and this is their CC cream in the shade Clare. So they had two shades on the website, so this one I saw was the lightest one. So yeah, that's what I got in the box. So I'm going to scoot you guys a little closer and we'll try on some of the face products. But of course, at first, we have to start off with primer. So I have this primer right here, which has not been opened, so I cannot wait to try this. So this is the Lottie London BAB. So before anything else, illuminating primer. Water-based primer enriched with vitamin E. So I like the sound of that. So it's a squeezy tube. Ooh. So it comes out like a pink tin. Instagram moment. Right, that might have been too much, but never mind. So I'm just gonna blend this into the skin and see how we go. And see, yeah, it's quite glowy. Sort of reminds me of a liquid illuminator, but this feels a little bit more hydrating than a liquid illuminator. Right, so that primer does feel extremely tacky. So now I'm very excited. Let's try out the CC cream. So it's by the brand Obsideian. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Obsideian. And it's their CC cream in Clare. So let's try this on. Let's see how much coverage this has. Probably not a lot. It's okay. Okay. No, it's I think it's one of those things where it's got microbeads in it, so it probably bursts. Okay, right, so how do I do this with my fingers? Let's see how it goes with my fingers first. Let's see what it's like if I burst the product. Smells amazing though. Oh my god, it smells like those really luxury soaps. Oh, actually it smells like Dove soap. Oh, That actually smells really, really good. Okay, well, this hasn't added any coverage to my skin at all. I could build it up. On the website, this does claim it's worth £20, so it's not cheap CC cream. But I'm just going to see what it's like if I build it up. I'm starting to see a little difference. It's evening everything out on my skin. So, it's a perfect colour. It's a perfect colour for me. It, like, matches me perfectly. That is so nice. I don't know if you guys can see. But it pretty much like, it's evened out everything out on my skin. Any redness I had here, any sort of dark shadows I had under here, any redness mainly here, blemishes like a bright red here. It's really sort of evened and balanced everything out. I like it. I really like it. If you like a natural everyday wear item which just evens everything out, then and you don't like the scent of like luxury soap, then you'll like this. I love this. I really like this. This matches my skin to a T. Doesn't look dark, doesn't look streaky. Yeah, I am really, really liking this. Just zoom the camera out a little bit because I felt like I was just a bit too much in your faces, a bit in your space, in your face, too much. So I've just applied my concealer off camera and blusher. I will put everything in the description bar below, so I'll let you guys know what I'm wearing. So I'm going to try out setting powder. So I have this one right here. So this is the Technic Soft Focus Transparent Loose Powder. And this is obviously transparent. I've had this in my drawer for the longest time ever. I bought this back when I was in London. I'm going to do my under eyes first. Just going to grab a Ted Baker brush. It's just a flat foundation brush, but I'm just going to use it for under my eyes. Grab my beauty sponge. Make sure all the creases are gone under the eyes. Comes with a little sponge. And it's got one of those things you have to peel off. So I'm going to peel that off now. Oh. Oh. I just took the lid off with it. Oh. Oh. Okay, so the lid sort of twists around. Oh, God. Okay, so this lid, it's quite loose, as you can see. It just sort of comes off very, very easily, so be very careful. This definitely won't be travel safe then. Because if it goes around in your bag and that comes off, then you're just going to have a powder fiesta. Fiesta? So, okay, how am I going to do this without getting it everywhere? Okay, so I've just taken the sifter off, so you've got the loose powder there. Just going to grab the brush, going to just be very careful. Oh, it's very soft. And just pat the excess gently back in that. Pat this under my eye. Okay. Very, very soft powder. Yeah, that just sets my eyes within seconds. That is so soft. I always find with these velvet powders, they tend to set your eyes quite quick. Okay, well, that's just set my under eyes amazingly. So now I'm going to do the same with the big brush. So, I think I'm going to just grab a little bit of that powder loosely. Pat a little bit back into the... back in with the powder. And then I'm going to tap the excess in with the black lid. Yeah, so there we go. So that should be enough powder. Oh, better do my forehead first. So apply the powder. This powder has just set my face so quickly. It's really smooth. It hasn't over-exaggerated any lines or anything. I had some spa lines here as well, and that's just smoothing them out. Because I get quite scared with these velvet powders because I know some of them don't make my foundation sometimes look a bit patchy, or they just don't set my face right. But yeah, I love this powder. Just go apply my bronzer and then we'll come back and try the highlighter. Okay, so I've just applied my bronzer, so I'm now going to be trying out the highlighter. So as I said before, this highlighter right here, this is the Sport FX Hit Highlighter High Intensity Illuminating Trio. And it says, get the perfect natural glow or intense highlighter with our Highlighting Intense Illuminating Trio. So it says this is sweat proof. Sport FX is a brand where all their products are basically designed for when you're at the gym, etc, etc. So they're meant to be very budge proof and sweat proof. So these are the 3 colours right here. I'm just going to give it a quick swatch. It smells a bit like cinnamon. Cinnamon, actually. You know, like the gingerbread cinnamon? Ooh. Ooh. They did feel very velvety. So these are the swatches on the back of my hand. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. So they're very pretty. But it said it's a very buildable formula. So I think you definitely can build these colours up for sure. They look a bit too dark on me. I think I might be able to get away with this one right here, this one right at the top. So I'm just going to take my Real Techniques brush. So I'm just going to grab that colour and I'm just going to apply this to my face. Oh, okay. Oh, that's very pretty. I love the smell. If you don't like the smell of cinnamon, then you won't like this. But I could just about get away with this colour. I can just about get away with it. These 2 colours, I could definitely like use them as eyeshadow, or I can use this goldeny one on top of my bronzer, so it makes like a bronzy, dewy glow to the skin. So I could definitely still make those colours work, and especially with that darker color as well, I could mix that in with my bronzer, so it makes like a very shimmery bronzer. So maybe I should just show you instead of saying. So yeah, this one I could mix this in with my bronzer. This one I could wear it on top of the bronzer and then wear a lighter color on top. So I call that the gradient highlighter, which is what this is my trend. I really like doing that. I just think it looks really pretty. It's not for everyone. Not everyone wants to wear like a darker color, then a lighter color, then a really lighter color. But this colour's really pretty. Let us just grab a setting spray and let's see if this will intensify at all. So yeah, it's coming out a lot more metallic. So it's definitely a lot more of a metallic shine. But it's very, very nice. Very, very pretty. But it's quite versatile, so for deeper skin tones they would love this highlighter, because there's something there for deeper skin tones. So there's something here for my skin tone and then 2 for deeper skin tones. This is so nice. I think I'm going to add some in my inner corners of my eyeshadow as well, because I actually haven't put an inner corner in there. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to apply that right in my inner corner of my eyes. And I'm going to apply it on top of the brow bone. Oh god, that's a gorgeous brow bone. Oh, I like that. I like that as a brow bone. And of course, the last product to try from the face is the setting spray. Now, in my previous NYX video, when I tried the face products, I tested the illuminating setting spray. So now, I'm going to try the matte version of it. So this is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. So whether this might mattify my setting powder, I really don't know. So let's just give it a go. Let's just spray. Let's test the spritzer. Oh yeah, nice spritzer. Okay, well it hasn't toned down my highlighter, but it's not got rid of it or anything. It still looks shiny. It's mattified my face though. My face feels very, very matte. Okay, so I've just finished the rest of my eyes off camera, and this is it, guys. This is the completed look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So my final thoughts on the face product. So the highlighter, I really, really like this highlighter. I would say though this is aimed more for like deeper skin. I'm not too sure if there's a lighter version of this, but this is definitely more for like deeper skin. So if you have deeper skin, you will love this. I really like it. It's a beautiful glow. It's very, very buildable, as it's claimed on the box. It's a very buildable formula, and it certainly is. And I love the fact it smells like cookies. It smells like, oh, it just smells like gingerbread man. I could just about smell with this runny nose. So I really, really like this. Really rate this. I've also applied this in my inner corner and brow bone, and I really, really like this. The primer. Now, I like the primer. Very tacky. Feels hydrating. Made the foundation stick on very nicely. Didn't move the CC cream around or anything. So, I really like this. So I'll try this out a little bit more. The CC cream. I love the smell to the CC cream. This CC cream I love. Doesn't add any coverage whatsoever, but it really does even out everything that's on your skin. So from redness to dark, you probably could even apply this under your eyes as well to reduce some of the darkness that is under your eyes. So next time I might have to try that, but really, really like the CC cream. Powder. Now the only thing I could say a fault about this is the packaging. I do not like the packaging. The packaging is a no-no for me, because you put this in your bag, this black lid comes off, it's gonna go everywhere, because where the sifter inside is not secure, it's just gonna slip out and your powder's gonna go everywhere. So, fault about the packaging, but love this. Made my skin feel very smooth. It didn't, last time I used like a velvet powder like this, was it NYX FAUX one? I can't remember, but I used it under my eyes, and it made my under eyes really dark. And that's for translucent, like a white translucent powder. But not this one. This one's really nice. Set my face really fast. So if you're in a rush, then and you have a steady hand, then yeah, you could definitely make this work. So yeah, I really like this powder. Setting spray. I'm more of an illuminating kind of gal when it comes to setting sprays, but this didn't tone down the highlighter, because I've used matte setting sprays before where they just tone your whole highlighter down. You think, really? What was the point of me applying a blinding highlighter if you're just going to take it away? So, but it didn't. It set everything in place. The powder off my face is gone. So yeah, NYX do some really good setting sprays. So I really, really like this setting spray. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description bar below. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.